Good morning. Welcome back to Split Life Productions. My name is Nate, and this is your morning reaction. All right, so looks like we've got a blessing of the YouTube algorithm at this point. We're going to check out Smile on the Sinner and their new song, White Noise. A lot of people in the comment section of this video are really hyped about this song. So yeah, a lot of people are saying, YouTube algorithm go burr, basically. So we're gonna check these guys out. Yeah, let's check it out. Yo, that was unnecessary. I need to listen to that again. That's big sound. That is some big sound. Ooh, that was a good fill there. I need to hear that again. Yo, this song just goes so hard. What the hell? Oh. Oh yeah, rocking the broken cymbals. God, good Lord, this is heavy. Like, when that kicked in, good shot of the feet there. God. Oh my God. This is going immediately on the playlist, on my playlist. Oh, God, I just need to take breaks for a second. Oh, they slowed it down. that is the ending of a song where the drummer just uses the might of Thor to hit his cymbals, basically. God, okay. This is going immediately on my Spotify playlist. That was Smile on the Sinner, their new song White Noise. I gotta listen to more of these guys like right now. Holy crap, that was good. Um, Dude, honestly, this might actually have taken single of the month for me. Good Lord. Links to this down below. Check these guys out. Check this song, check their other stuff out. I'm going to be checking out their other stuff. Like, good God, that was unnecessary. I'm literally going to Spotify right now and putting them on my playlist right now. I can hit the like and subscribe button and notification as well, so you can be notified when videos come out. Yeah, Smile on the Center. If that guy, I'll follow. Put that song on the list. Yeah, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so we can notify when more reactions videos come out. And comments, if you have any suggestions on anything I should do, put them in the comment section down below, or you can reach out to me on Facebook and on Twitter. Yeah, links to those will be in the description of this video as well. So thank you all so much for watching this haymaker of a song with me, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good rest of your morning. Good Lord. Oh.